Okay, so scalar versus vector quantities. Well, scalars have what's called only magnitude, so they're really only a number, where vectors have magnitude and direction. So they're indicating, west or east or up or down or left or right, those sorts of things. And we normally represent vectors using an arrow. So some examples of scalars are things like distance, speed, mass, pressure, work, power. Those are all scalars. They have just a magnitude. Whereas vectors, for example, displacement, velocity, acceleration, momentum, and force, those all also have direction. Whether that is indicated by a positive or a negative, or whether that actually says, east or west or up or down or left or right afterwards. So we would, whenever we're recording a vector quantity, we want to be sure to indicate both magnitude and direction. Now, if you notice there, I drew two blue arrows, and those things are to indicate that those two values are actually speaking to the same thing. The only difference between distance and displacement is that there's also a direction associated with that. Okay, the difference between speed and velocity is that velocity has the direction. Okay, and we'll talk a little bit more about that in these next slides.